Hello you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be doing 5-minute total core workout. But before we begin, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to join our community by share, liking and subscribing. Now get your mat and let's get going. Now let's begin with a 6-point position, which means your hands, your knees and your toes. Now in this position, all you're gonna be doing is lifting your knees off the floor and then you're gonna bring them up and down without touching the floor. Now we're gonna try to do this 5 minutes without stopping. If you need some rest, you can do so. However, the challenge here is to work out the whole core without stopping. Now we're gonna switch to touching our knee with opposite hand, so you can go right hand to your left knee. Now continue, try to stay on the same line as before, meaning you have to keep your hands underneath your shoulders. Now keep it going and get ready for the next exercise. All we're gonna be doing is going to a large plank and then come back in. It's like doing a mountain climber but without the jumping. So keep it going, try to keep your core steady. There you go guys, here's a couple more and you're gonna get ready to stay to your long or high plank, and then we're just gonna jump. Try to open our legs and then close. So get ready, stay and let's go. Open and close. Try to open your legs to the width of your mat. There you go. So the idea here is to keep your core engaged, and also probably your arms are going to be burning just a little bit, but keep going you guys. Okay, now we're definitely doing mountain climbers, so keep going. This is the last exercise in this position. Then you can take a deep breath because we're gonna go with the side planks. Keep going you guys, just a couple more. And you can rest, good job. Now let's just rest a little bit and get in position for our side plank. Now a nice tip here, try to keep your elbow aligned with your shoulder. Now in this position, let's go and let's lift our hips off the ground. Let's go up and down. Okay you guys, now let's switch to the other side. Get ready, remember, keep that elbow aligned with your shoulder. Straighten your legs and let's go up and down with those hips. Now this is definitely working your obliques. Now keep it going, you got it you guys, almost done, we're almost done. Okay you guys, last but not least, we are gonna be doing 1-minute plank. That's right. So hold on right there. Remember, keep your elbows and your shoulders aligned and try to stay on a straight line without bringing your glutes up, and just breathe. Now if you want to do 30 seconds, that's also okay, but if you want to go for a whole challenge, do a whole minute. So let's go you guys. And there you go. You can go to a nice resting position. Just breathe. We have finished. You can straighten your back, rest your arms, and you have finished with your 5-minute total core workout. Now, thank you guys for joining us. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And if you have not joined our community, hit that subscribe button so you can join. Now, thank you so much, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Bye!